তারা লিখে দিতাম না বুঝেছি গা লিখে দিতাম না বুঝেছি পত্রিকা তো বাইরের মতো কিছু থাকতো না তারা আইসে না তারা তো নিয়ে যাবে
শুরু করতাম on the very first day, Tipra Motha MLAs boycotted the assembly, walked out from the house. What is the main reason?
No, see, this is the house where we can democratically protest for our rights. People have voted us to take on the issues of the people, and the house is such a place where you can raise the public interest issues, and the government has to listen to them. Last 2 days I came in the house, I met the Secretary of Tripura Legislative Assembly. I told him that the sitting arrangement should be made properly, because all the elected honorable members, they have to have good sitting arrangement so that they can take the issues, raise the issues, they can do the job which is to be done inside the house. But we have seen with 11 numbers of MLAs, CPIM Legislative Party has been allotted very good sitting arrangement. Vis-a-vis even the Congress MLAs, only 3 of them they could win this time. All 3 of them will be sitting in the front row. So I said that Tipra Motha, being the largest opposition group and opposition party, at least we also should be given same kind of facilities, not less. But initially they arranged for us, only 2 people will be sitting in the front row. I protested in regard to this issue. And also you must have had seen that in the last row, where only 3 people can sit, but they have made us to sit 4 people. But then when I argued with them that why this arrangement is so, they said that a single party cannot encroach to the other block. But then my question is, if we cannot encroach the block, who has made this assembly? Why you have fixed every chairs and tables and mic? No political party will know how many MLAs they will win. So everything should be flexible. The sitting arrangement should be movable, but it didn't happen. So I told them that whosoever is the company doing this work, before this assembly session, the sitting arrangement respectfully should be arranged for us. They did not do so. If we bog down with these small issues, days to come we will not be allowed to speak in the house. That is why we have shown on the first day the mark of protest in democracy, that we walked out, and now the assembly and the people of Tripura will remember